I want to ask how much can one attach to a role? How much should one attach to a role? And say in a role like Vicky, you to explain to us, because in a role like Chava, were deep inside it, and you have to be also. Apart from just you playing your bit, so many sentiments attached to this one story, this one figure. How much do you attach yourself to this story role? Can you take it back home? Can you detach? Schedule होते हैं, फिर अब how does it work?
I feel, especially for a character where sentiments are attached,
Yeah.
I don't like to measure how much. It's just how truthful I can get. And I don't think there is a measure with which you can measure truth. So I need to understand the sentiment behind that character, the world, the culture, and then just be as true to it as possible, as respectful to it, towards it as possible. And then, of course, see, I totally understand that cinema is always a director's medium. I need to understand how Lakshman sir is seeing this world, this legacy, this character, and how does he want me to portray? And then what can I bring as an actor to it? He was very clear that I want you to be a lion in this. Now you can purr with your wife, you can really attack at your enemies. I don't know what that interpretation is for you as an actor. You bring that on the table for me. And that was my focus. And eventually, for truth, it's always like you can always go deeper, you can always go deeper, you can always form meanings. There are always more to explore in a given scene, in a given moment in the film. So for me, I don't think I like to measure कि कितना मुझे उसमें घुसना चाहिए. मेरा actually ये होता है कि मैं कितना घुस सकता हूँ और कितना और हो सकता है, because कहीं ना कहीं I don't know, I find joy, I find satisfaction in that as an actor. It's still not yet happened with me that there's something that I take back home which kind of comes in the way or conflicts my personal life or conflicts my real life in that sense. There's always a certain kind of headspace you're in when especially you're shooting 12 hours every day and then you're at it and there's a momentum that's going, it's not the beginning, it's especially in the middle of a film shoot where it's just a momentum. Where now your family also knows that it's that momentum going. कुछ हो रहा है where he's physically here but he's not here because he has to go back to sleep in 2 hours and then wake up at 5 and then leave for shoot, and that's what's going on since like 20 days. So at that point, that's the effect that I'm in. And to be very honest, that space, that little taste of it which is always there with you, I love that. I love that. That gives me a lot of confidence. कि यार ये मैं अब वहाँ हूँ और ये अब I'm on autopilot as that character, and that gives me a lot of focus to improve, a lot of confidence to improvise, to be just you throw any ball at me as a director or as a writer and I'll be able to kind of live that world for you and be that character. So I really actually crave for that.